गुड इवनिंग, नमस्कार, वेलकम दोस्तों। स्वागत है आपका इन फैशन के नए वीडियो में। आज हम आपके लिए लेके आए हैं लॉन्ग जैकेट्स, जैसा हमने आपसे पिछली बार प्रॉमिस किया था। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले आपको मैं बता दूं कि हमारा जितना भी कॉन्टैक्ट लिस्ट है वो सारी डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको मिल जाएगी। हमारे एफबी पेज का लिंक, हमारे इंस्टाग्राम का लिंक, हमारे व्हाट्सएप नंबर और हमारा जीमेल आईडी, आपको सब कुछ डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। आप हमसे कांटेक्ट करने के लिए, बुकिंग के लिए या किसी भी क्वेरी के लिए आप हमें मैसेज कर सकते हैं एफबी के द्वारा या व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हैं। एंड वी विल एंटरटेन ऑल योर क्वेरीज, वॉट एवर योर क्वेरीज आर, वी विल गेट बैक टू यू ऑन दैट. So today I have my daughter here to help me, so that it becomes a little more easy for us to show you the products that we have. Shiny, please come. So she's Shiny. She's going to help us today in our video to show you the new products that we have. So today what we have are printed long jackets. These are basically Jaipuri jackets. So I have 4 color options. I'll show you one by one. These are reversible jackets. So let's start. We will start with this indigo color. As you can see, it's a long jacket and it has slits on the side so that it becomes a little more comfortable for you to sit. It has pockets on the sides. On both the sides it has pockets. All the jackets are reversible. If you can see the print, they are reversible. These are the buttons for the reversible side. All jackets have button inside on the reversible side. Just what you have to do is, in case if you want to reverse it and wear it, you just have to cut this tag, the size tag. You cut this size tag and you can reverse it and wear it. So this was our first color, indigo printed color in the long jacket. So to book this jacket, please send us a WhatsApp, or in case if you want to book it through Facebook, you can send us a message through our Facebook page. The price for this jacket is 1800. 1800 is the price. On your first purchase from In Fashion, you will get a 10% discount. So book today. The sizes available in these jackets are large 40, XL 42 and double XL 44. Shiny, please show us the new color, the second color. This is the second option in the long jackets. It's a beautiful floral print on a cream base. Similarly, it has a colorful reverse side. So all the jackets are reversible. These are the buttons for the reversible side, and as mentioned, you can cut the size tags in case if you want to reverse it and wear it. These are the slits. This is the back of the jacket. You can wear these with denims, you can wear them over suits, they will look good. Again, in this color, the sizes available are large, XL and double XL. This is the third color available in these jackets. This is the reversible print. I hope it's visible to you. The sizes available in this are large XL and double XL, large 40, XL 42 and double XL 44. The price for these jackets are 1800 rupees. On your first purchase from In Fashion, you will get a 10% discount. This is the last color that we have. It's a beautiful green shade with white floral booty on it. This is the reversible side. I will show you one jacket from the inner side so that you have an idea what kind of prints are there inside. So you can wear it from both the sides. It's a beautiful floral jacket. These are long in length. So these are not short jackets, these are long jackets. So sizes again in this are large 40, XL 42, double XL 44. So to book, please send us a WhatsApp, send us a message on our Facebook page, and we will book these pieces for you. We courier it across India. The cash on delivery option is available. So to know more, in case if you want any, to check about any specific details about the sizes, you can always message us. We will measure it and let you know. In case if you want to know the length, in case if you want to check any other detail of the jacket or of the product, you can message us and we will get back to you. So these were the 4 colors which you can order from us. So Akshayani wants to share something before we leave for the day.
पापा के चैनल को लाइक करना, सब्सक्राइब करना और सबसे शेयर करना.
So thank you so much, friends. So please like our page, subscribe our page, and follow us for more and for more new products.